Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to delete your search history on TikTok. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your TikTok profile page. If you're unsure how to do that, just select the profile button at the bottom right, and then select the hamburger icon at the top right, left click on it, and select settings and privacy. Underneath content and display, select the activity center button, and then select where it says search history, left click on it. Select the select button at the top, and then select all search history down here. Select delete all. This will delete all searches from the past 180 days permanently. This action cannot be undone. I believe TikTok automatically deletes searches that are older than 6 months. That's why there's only 180 days in here. Select delete, and there you go. It's simple as that. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.